So first of all, it's our honor, it's our privilege, our and everyone that is seeing and watching what we are saying here. But it is really an honor to have someone from IKEA here with us to share some of the challenges that you are going on, how you are tackling all of that, main plans and all of that. So it's really a privilege, and thank you so much for that. IKEA as a business, we all know it. We all admire it. Is either as a client, as a retailer, or a business people person. Just because we love design, everyone knows IKEA and everyone admires IKEA. In fact, it was a company that since the beginning built the entire business and the entire idea of selling to the customer in an integrated way. Thinking about the customer journey, how we could interact through that customer journey. So we all have big admiration on how we can build things in our home just because your furniture, and we feel very, very proud of having the ability to make something with our own hands, just following your manuals and your instructions on how to put things. But in fact, at least I believe some of us would say that all these omnichannel idea from the last 10, 15 years of evolution, it clearly, at least in our view, from outside of IKEA, it clearly brought a huge challenge to IKEA, because from now on, it seems that the client is no longer the one that is taking the products to the cash out to pay. It's not the client that is taking the products on to build them. And I can just imagine that, in fact, this for you guys had been a challenge from the last years. And it's something that we would love to hear something about. So how did IKEA, how did you guys tackle this internally? What were the main transformations that you have been introducing in the last years to tackle this omni-channel challenge?
Yeah, you are fully right, Daniel. I mean, we have been fully transformed somehow. 25 years ago, we just opened stores and we were fully focused on preparing the visitations of the consumers and customers that were coming. And that was our role. And we called the store the main media. But nowadays, the society has changed. And now everyone wants to buy as their own. And now it's, as you mentioned, the omnichannelity is our big challenge. And what we don't know is where the customer starts the journey. They can start the journey at home. They can visit our physical stores. They can come back home and do it online. They can do through the remote selling. But our vision has been always to create a better everyday for the many. And that's where we are focused on, is to try to understand what the customer needs and to focus there. So answering directly how we tackle that, we have transforming many things, rethinking our internal processes, rethinking in analyzing what we can do better, what things we need to change, what things are our core and what others we can learn from others and make with different partners. What are the customer demands? And one of the main things that we have done is to rethink. We have been learning and learning to redo different things. And those ones are coming from, just to mention as a bullet point, some of them, it's coming from big stores with more than 20,000, 25,000 square meters to the new need of having the store closest to the customer through different channels and in the downtown or in the new cities where where we were not before there. Then we also have a new fulfillment setup. This is very different one nowadays because the last mile deliveries challenge or to fulfill those new stores. It's also coming with the staff. Our big stores could have 800 people, sometimes up to 1,000 people with a strong org charts and infrastructure. And now in the small stores, we need a different setup, new behaviors, new leadership, new capabilities. So new departments are emerging, like the digital, or could be transformation, innovation, and that's a little bit all those things that we have been tackling. And as a conclusion, if the customer change, and now the customer requires an omni-channel approach, we need to be omni-channel. It's not an option.
Thank you so much. It really sounds interesting, the times that you are going through right now, and to be involved in all of that. I'm sure that it's very, very nice and very challenging again to be there.